Hello! You probably can remember that groundwork. Today I will use it for creating a beautiful ornament. I start with placing it into the lathe. While remembering about safety mask and goggles, with plenty of chisels I am giving the shape to the groundwork. I want my creation to be a beautiful goblet. First, I mark the point where its stem should end. Then I begin to sculpt it. As you can see, the stalk is way thinner, and whole work started reminding a goblet. But still I have a lot of work to do. Carving the mazer is the most important step. It should be perfectly round, smooth and symmetric as the real one. It is really hard to explain, but you'll be good if you repeat my moves with chisel during your work. This is the effect I wanted to get. Quite thin stem and round mazer. Now it's time for sanding. I am starting with gradation 80 and end up with 50-100. That finish doesn't look astonishing, but I will lacquer it at the end. The next step is drilling a big hole in the center of my goblet. If it's too small or uneven, you should broach it. To lacquer my goblet, I hang it on the tree using thin string. And there it is. To be candid, it is one of the best things I have made to that time. Just look at its marvelous colors and perfect shape. Those charming fire rays which are created by gaps between wood are dancing a calming routine that brings magic to my room. Thank you so much for watching. Check my socials, like, subscribe and share this video. Stay creative!